Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll clarify a common request. You cannot directly convert SpayLater credit into cash in your SeaBank account. However, I'll show you the legitimate workaround that people use. First, understand that SpayLater is a buy now pay later service, not a cash loan. Its terms of service typically prohibit converting credit to cash, so this method involves a straightforward, legitimate transaction. Next, find a trusted friend or family member who needs to make a purchase on Shopee. Offer to buy the item for them using your SpayLater credit. Then, have them pay you the equivalent amount in cash or via a direct bank transfer to your SeaBank account. This effectively converts the credit into usable funds. After that, you are responsible for repaying the SpayLater amount according to its schedule. Ensure the person pays you upfront to avoid being stuck with the debt. This method relies on trust and should only be done with people you know well. Be aware of the SpayLater repayment terms to avoid late fees. While not a direct conversion, this is the safest way to achieve a similar result. If this workaround was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.